Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro and I'm going to tell you how you can easily set the device type for this device in your Android phone. So at first open the settings. Now here open Bluetooth, and here as you can see we've got our earbuds. Tap this arrow near your device, and as you can see device type. Specify the device type to further optimize your experience. Tap it, and now if you paired your earbuds without the internet connection, without the Google account, your probability to have the earbuds already set on your device is rather slightly below 0. So here tap earphones. You may have set other. If you have other set, select just earphones and you'll be good to go. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.